I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium markers and find the markers. To begin, familiarize yourself with the game's rarity system, as medium markers are a step up from easy ones. Start by exploring the main map areas thoroughly. Many medium markers are hidden in plain sight or require a simple puzzle solution. Pay close attention to your surroundings for any unusual textures or objects that might be a clue. Next, let's dive into some advanced search techniques. Medium markers often require a bit more effort than just walking around. Make sure to check behind every large object, tree, or building. Many are placed on ledges or high platforms, so practice your parkour to reach those tricky spots. Some markers are also tied to solving small environmental puzzles, like activating a sequence of buttons or finding a hidden switch. Now, let's talk about common locations where medium markers frequently appear. Always investigate any caves, secret rooms, or hidden passages you discover. These are prime spots. Many markers are also found near interactive game elements, such as teleporters or minigame entrances. Sometimes, a marker might require you to interact with a specific item in the environment, like pushing a button or pulling a lever, to reveal it. Finally, persistence is key when hunting for medium markers. Don't get discouraged if you don't find them immediately. Sometimes they are very well hidden. Recheck areas after game updates, as marker locations can occasionally shift. If you're truly stuck on one or two, consider looking at community guides or asking fellow players for hints. Most importantly, have fun exploring the vast world and discovering all the unique markers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.